Hello everyone, Nanhua Performing Arts Group has returned with more exciting news. If you believe your body can make wonders on stage, you are invited to come and join us. Let us work together and transform that talent. The Nanhua Performing Arts Group auditioning date has been set. On the 14th of December 2024 is going to be the registration day. The following day, which is the 15th of December 2024, is going to be the auditions. We hope you are the one for this. Nanhua Performing Arts Group is inviting all females between the age of 18 and 23 years old who are of course interested in learning more about arts. If you believe you have the potential and got what it takes to elevate your talent, you are exactly what we are looking for. The course duration is 1 year. The course is free, including the meals, accommodation, and stipend. And lastly, do not miss this opportunity. See you then.